Assalamu alaikum, I'm Naveed from Naveed Games. PlayStation 5 Pro is now available with us at Naveed Games. The most powerful console yet, the PlayStation 5 Pro is now available with us at Naveed Games. ये आज ही launch हुआ है and today it's available at Naveed Games Peshawar. इसका box check कर सकते हैं. थोड़ी बहुत इसकी डिटेल्स आपको दिखाता जाऊंगा. PlayStation 5 Pro, which is now available with us at Naveed Games. Keeping in mind, as the box itself is black, as it's a digital console. But don't worry, I'm going to explain it later in my video that how to add a disk drive to it. तो आपने इसकी वरी नहीं करनी कि PlayStation 5 Pro is digital. It's not digital. You can add a disk drive to it, जिसके जरिए से you'll be able to play all the game variety of PlayStation 5 जो कि आनी है, जो कि available है. PlayStation 4 की games, 5 की games, upcoming 3-4 साल तक की games, ये सारी आप खेल पाएंगे physical discs on this console by adding a physical disk drive. So now let me unbox it. Let me unbox the PS5 Pro for you guys and let me show you in detail what's in the box. Thank you. Check कर सकते हैं. This is the box of PlayStation 5 Pro, 4K at 120 HDR. It's a 2 TB console. Keeping in mind, आप check कर सकते हैं. नजदीक लाएं. इसकी memory is the first PlayStation to have a 2 TB SSD inbuilt. So let me unbox it. Here we go. Wow. First comes the HDMI cable, the HDMI 2.1 cable which supports 4K at 120, Type-C cable. Alright. Here we go. It's the latest DualSense Edge. Alright. ठीक है, thank you. So ये इसका DualSense, ये इसकी Type-C cable, ये HDMI 2.1. It's the power cable. And now you all are going to witness the beast itself. Wow. Here we go. Oh teri. Yeah. Amazing. Wow. Yeah. All right. So here's the PlayStation 5 Pro, an absolute beast, which is now available with us at Naveed Games. Amazing. All right. Thank you. Completely, I'm going to compare this Pro along with the initial model and the slim model right now for you guys. So this is the comparison of the boxes. ये initial model है PlayStation 5 का जो launch हुआ था, the first model. Then comes, you can see the slim model of PlayStation 5, and now it's the PlayStation 5 Pro. तो आप इन तीनों के boxes को check कर लें in detail. पीछे से शॉट ले तीनों का. थैंक यू. ये इन तीनों कंसोल्स का कंपैरिजन है. द फर्स्ट वन इज PS5 Pro, दिस वन इज द PlayStation 5 Slim, and this is the initial model, the previous model, PlayStation 5 Fat. You can say the fat one, the slim one, the Pro one, the absolute beast one. Thank you. ये इसका साइड व्यू है, चेक कर सकते हैं. PlayStation 5, PlayStation 5 Slim and PlayStation 5 Pro. Thank you. So here you go. We have the PlayStation 5 Pro, PlayStation 5 Slim, and the PlayStation 5 Fat, the initial one. It's digital, keeping in mind with 2 TB inbuilt SSD, जिसमें आप फिजिकल डिस्क ड्राइव इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं. जो हमारी अपकमिंग वीडियो होगी, that will be installing a physical disk drive to PlayStation 5 Pro. तो ये गलतफहमी दूर कर लें कि it's a digital console. Keeping in mind, you'll be able to play physical games on it as well. So I hope you like the unboxing video of PlayStation 5 Pro, which is now available with us at Naveed Games Peshawar. Check कर सकते हैं the initial model, the slim model, and the latest PS5 Pro, an absolute beast. With 2 TB SSD, 4K, 120 gameplay, with a physical drive installation as well. This console, PS5 Pro, in Pakistan exclusively for the first time, now available with us at Naveed Games. Thank you, take care, stay blessed. So this is the latest PlayStation 5 Pro. Check कर सकते हैं डिटेल में. इसके राइट साइड पे देखिए, there is a logo of PlayStation. 3 लाइंस इन्होंने इसमें ऐड की हैं. Keeping in mind it's digital, but you can add a disk drive to it through which it will get physical. It's an absolute beast and absolute beauty. Coming along with 2 TB inbuilt SSD. Complete इसकी बॉडी को लाएं. नीचे इसके जो अपने लोगोस हैं, आइकन्स जो हैं PlayStation के अपने आइकन्स, the body. It's coming with along these 2 feet. इसका वर्टिकल स्टैंड भी होता है और इसका ये हॉरिजॉन्टल स्टैंड भी होता है. साथ में इसका कंट्रोलर आ रहा है, HDMI 2.1 केबल, power cable, type C cable, and the beast itself, which is the first unit in Pakistan at Naveed Games Peshawar. So this is the first unit right now in Pakistan that I'm unboxing for you guys. I hope you like the video. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to install a physical disk drive to PlayStation 5 Pro. I hope you like the video of unboxing of PS5 Pro. It is now available with us at Naveed Games Peshawar. Stay blessed. Allah bless you all.